Hi, Jake. So, as you know, we've assisted a multitude of clients with things like racism, sexual harassment, sexism, ageism, disability, whistleblower matters within the employment and discrimination landscape. What are the most important factors when it comes to individuals defending these very important workplace rights?
Thanks, Annie, for the question. Look, practicing for 25 years plus and doing a very multitude of cases and some very landmark decisions for people within racism, for owner drivers, for people who suffered sexism and disability, we always would think, you need the time, you need the so-called money. But after I've come to the conclusion it's not about the time and the money, but it's all about the predominant one of the drivers is the energy. Because you need energy to do anything. You need energy to wake up in the morning, you've got to put energy into your life, etc., energy into your education. And those clients that if you are going to speak up about any form of discrimination or employment breaches, it's important you have the energy to do that. Time is a constant, money's a variable, but when you've got that energy, that's what you've got to focus into this. Annie, the next crucial thing, and I've had many experiences at this, and when we'll talk about our disability, I'll give you a bit more deeper insights. And it's come to a situation that these days, whatever you're going to do in life, be it further education, be it you want to climb Kosciuszko, be it you want to defend your workplace rights and discrimination rights, it all comes down to teamwork and nothing else predominantly. When you've got the right team, you can complete your degrees, you can climb Kosciuszko, you can defend your workplace rights. And when I mean by a team, first and foremost is your family, friends network. They've got to give you that moral and emotional support for you to speak up. Because as you know, when you've read the various reports, and I look at the Human Rights Commission statistics every 6 months when they come out, not that many people lodged sexual harassment claims. It was in the hundreds. There was only about 170 racism claims lodged. And when you read that report at length, all up in 21-22 at the Human Rights Commission, 1,174 employment discrimination claims were lodged. What's going on? When you read all the reports coming out, etc., it's individuals need the teams. And when you've got that team, and then you've got your legal team on board, and through that teamwork, you can articulate your storytelling. We could not have helped Joseph Ferguson way back in November 17, and it took 4 years for that decision. It was a landmark decision. We could not have helped all those owner drivers that I helped back in 2012 with the landmark decision where they were underpaid, not significantly. It was historical underpayments there, if it wasn't the teamwork. And it's through that teamwork which lets you communicate better, get the storytelling right, etc. Assess your weaknesses. It's through that teamwork, Annie, that you can get further. There is a third factor, which I will keep to ourselves. Those clients that want help, when they come to see us, we'll have a chat. And we'll talk about that other important factor. But like I said, you need the energy and you need the teamwork to get them over the line and to defend and safeguard your employment and discrimination workplace rights.
So a combination of both is very important.
Indeed, Annie. Indeed.
Thanks very much, Jake, for that insight.
Thanks, Annie.